Hi everyone, I'm Dimple and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to wash your super bottoms. The best part about it is that you can wash them by hand or in the washing machine as per your preference. I personally prefer washing them in a washing machine simply because it takes minimal efforts. But of course, it's up to you whatever you would prefer. Let me first take you through the do's and don'ts. Firstly, we recommend that you do not use a brush, do not use a Dettol or a fabric conditioner, do not use any detergent which has additives. You can use any mainstream detergent but which does not have any fragrance. We also suggest that you do not sun dry the diapers for too long as it may affect the durability of the diapers. We also recommend that if you have any hard water in your area, what you can do is you can use a water softener to wash your super bottoms along with detergent. If you're going to wash them in a washing machine, we suggest that you do not go beyond 40-degree temperature. You can wash them in a washing machine, but if your machine has temperature settings, please do not go over 40 degrees. Because too hot water may again affect the durability of the diapers. Now let me take you to the wash process. The wash process is divided in two parts, the pre-wash and the main wash. The pre-wash is nothing but a cycle where the diapers and soakers are washed off of all the pee and they are ready for the main wash. If you're going to wash your diapers in a washing machine, you can simply set a pre-wash cycle, or you can run a rinse plus spin cycle, or you can run a quick 30 depending upon the availability of settings in your washing machine. To run the main wash cycle, you can use a fuzzy cycle, or you can use a cotton cycle, a cotton 40, or you can use mixed cycle, or you can even use soiled cycle depending on the availability of settings in your washing machine. Now, some parents also prefer washing the diapers by hand along with the baby clothes. So let me take you through the hand wash process. So, all the used products undergo a pre-wash. Pre-wash is of 10 to 15 minutes depending on the number of products. Take a bucket of water, add approximately 1 teaspoon of detergent powder and mix it in water with your hands. If you have hard water, add water softener too. Now add the items that needs to be washed. Close the laundry tabs if you have a newborn diaper to avoid any wear and tear. Mix them properly, agitate well and squeeze. This helps in eliminating maximum pee. The quantity of the detergent should be such that there are not too many soap suds nor too less. Now take the diaper and put it in plain water. Now agitate well and rinse in plain water. Rinse them thoroughly. Make sure you agitate and rinse really well. Do not wring them. You can just roll the diaper and soakers and squeeze them. This whole process is called pre-wash. Now coming to the main wash. In the main wash, add the manufacturer's recommended detergent quantity. Mix the detergent in water. You will know that the amount of detergent is correct if you see that there are not too many soap suds nor too less as mentioned previously. Soak the diapers for not more than 30 minutes. Again, if you have hard water, you need to add water softener with the detergent. Add all the pre-washed products. Now repeat the process of agitation. This step ensures thorough cleaning of diapers. Agitate thoroughly. Roll the soaker and squeeze out the water. Now put all the items in plain water. Agitate properly again and rinse. Since some soap suds are seen, one more round of rinsing is required. You need to rinse till the water runs clear and till you see no soap bubbles. Also, the diapers should smell fresh after washing. Now you can see that the water is clear and the diapers have been washed properly. You can spin dry in the machine or put them under sun for 2-3 hours, then shift it in shade or under the fan. See, Didn't I tell you? Washing your super bottoms is super easy. And trust me when I say a lot of parents find washing diapers as a stress reliever. Stay tuned for the next video and go super with cloth.